Eh, Sanibona, nginibingelele futhi kwi-channel kwi-channel. Kulezi iy'nsuku-ke kuningi umuntu afisa ukukusho noma-ke isikhathi singaqhamuki ngendlela, kodwa kuningi umuntu afisa ukukuchaza. Ngiyathemba ukuthi imephu iyadwebeka, indlela iyavuleka. Lokhu ngaqala nje ngiqopha lamavidiyo lawa, ngiyathemba ukuthi indlela iyabonakala. Sikhule siyiy'ngane ey'dlalayo. So mina ngowama-nineties mina, ngithe ngingena e-high school, cabanga ukuthi kwase kuqala i-inthanethi noma i-inthanethi yaqala umuntu esefunda o-five kanje. Ngaqala lapho ngoba ngiyakhumbula kwakuno-Web King, kwakuno-Web Trick ababeyilokhunja, ababe-dominant ngaleso sikhathi leso. So in order for you to access ilokhunja ama-games, sasiya ku-Web Trick thina no-Web King. Umuntu ukhule ngaleso sikhathi leso. So ekhuleni ngaleso sikhathi leso sasibuka nanama-Dragon Ball Z futhi. Ekhuleni ngaleso sikhathi leso sasine-element le yokuthi kumele siphume siyodlala, siphinde sibe nale element yokuthi okay, i-inthanethi siyangena manje. Iy'ngane ezizalwe ngoye-two thousand nge-millennium zihlukile kunathi ngoba zona zisemafonini kakhulu, zi-less sociable than we were before thina. Kukancane ukuthi uzoyifica iy'ngane zihleli zidlala mhlampe amagenda, mhlampe zidlala umaskaloba, mhlampe zidlala uqithi, mhlampe zidlala amapala amancane ku-Stop Street ekhoneni. Thina sikhule siyileyo generation le ekade i-understand-a le mpilo yokuthi kumele siphume siyodlala, siphinde futhi sibe ile generation le understand-ayo ukuthi okay, kunamafoni-ke manje. Sikhule sidlala thina, ekukhuleni kwethu sidlala njengoba ngisho ukuthi ngiyathemba ukuthi indlela iyabonakala. Sasithi mesiyobhukuda eMncadodo, khona umfula lapha ngasekhaya engakhulela khona la ngakhulela khona eHammersdale, khona umfula ekuthiwa uMncadodo. UMncadodo uxhunywa umlaza noma uMncadodo uxhuma umlaza, uhamba kanje, umlaza uxhuma uMncadodo. So khona indawo ekuthiwa isemafutheni, ngasemafutheni khona u-Rainbow Chicken, mase kuthi ngale kuba khona-ke uMncadodo. So uMncadodo-ke stretches nala ngasekuqaleni kwaseNtshongweni, ngasekuqaleni before ufike e-Valley of Thousand Hills, because I think ngase-Valley of Thousand Hills ushona le umlaza loyo, but uMncadodo nje ula. Sasibhukuda khona eMncadodo siy'ngane. Into-ke esasiyenza ukuthi mesizohamba endleleni esasingayijwayele, sasifasa utshani, sifasa like amagoda kutshani, sifasa amagoda kutshani, sifasa amagoda kutshani, sifasa amagoda kutshani, sifasa amagoda kutshani. Senzelani ukuthi mase sesibuya indlela singayazi, sikwazi ukubona ukuthi okay, besihambe laphi because kade sifasa la ngamagoda kutshani, sifasa la magoda kutshani, sifasa la magoda, sifasa la magoda. So kwakuyiyona means of i-direction for us leyana, ukufasa lawo magoda khona kukhona singeke siduke. Mase sesibhukudile emfuleni, sangcola saphasha cause uma ubhukude emfuleni phela uyaphasha. Saphasha sasithatha itshe silifake ngaphansi kolimi bese umuntu ayahamba akaya kubo. Uma ufaka itshe ngaphansi komlilo wawenzela ukuthini, ungashawa ekhaya, ungashawa ekhaya, wawufaka itshe ungashawa ekhaya, wawuphinde futhi ufase isidindi bese uyasichamela, wawubalekela ukuthi ungashawa ekhaya. So konke lokho ngilokhunja ngikusholo ukuthi ngiyathemba ukuthi lokhu lama video ngawaqala because in order for a person to understand izinto engikhuluma ngayo, to have like a clear idea of ukuthi ngifisa ukuyaphi ngale zinto engikhulumayo, kubalulekile ukuthi uwaqale ekuqaleni uwalalele wonke because elandelayo ngilidela oyilandelayo, elandelayo ngilidela oyilandelayo. It's like a string, it's like a string, it's like a string. Njengoba ngisho ukuthi nathi uma sibhukuda sasenza njalo, sihambe sifasa, sihambe sifasa, sihambe sifasa, sihambe sifasa. I-topic yanamhlanje engifisa ukukhuluma ngayo ukuthi what does it mean to have a calling? What does it mean to have a calling? Mengithi to have a calling, ngikhuluma ngento yabantu abadala. Ngikhuluma ngento yabantu abadala. Ngikhulile eHammersdale ekhaya. Sikhona nje sibaningi ekhaya. Sikhona sibaningi. Umaya ebadlula ngo-98, which is something I always emphasize. Umaya adlula ngo-98. So umuntu belokhu ehamba ehlale because at one instant ngiseke ngayithola sengihlala kababa, because angithi babe ngijahile ngaleso sikhathi, and then I said no, I do not want to go and stay with him because ngangingamazi. And then later, and then later, 2 years later, if not 3 years later, if not a year later, ngisakhumbula ekhaya bathola amamenzi ukuthi bangise khona, ngawuhlala khona e3 ngase-KM, ngawuhlala lapho kagogo nogogo Doris ozala ubaba. So ubaba was never there, ubaba wayengekho, ubaba wayengekho, wayehlala eClermont esebenza khona. And then later he got married, bashada. Meshada ngabona ngoba uyabo lento yama-album, usually before emndenini sasiba nama-album. Angathi nje ngihleli ngithi ngibuka i-album ngambona uGaye eshada noSiso Wempofu nje ku-Happily Ever After. So ngangingazi ukuthi ushadile. So it can be ukuthi unkosikazi wakho ayithe kuyena, mjithi unengane yomfana, so go and look for ingane yakho yomfana. So hence wayesefika kumina, but nakhona futhi ngangingahlali naye, ngangihlala noma wakho ugogo. So ama-dynamics ayi different kakhulu. Ngihlala nogogo, kwakungekho ngcono kunakagogo ozala uma. But the problem is I was familiar with i-pain yakagogo ezala uma. I was familiar with the way I was treated khona because ngikhulele khona vele. So into engase ngiyijwayele leyo ukuthi okay, vele like ngitreat-a kanje. As I said ukuthi umuntu mehlala kwi-environment toxic, usually think ukuthi okay, this is normal. So when I moved ngiyohlala kababa, izinto zayifana, like I don't want to say ukuthi zazi-worse. One of the most hurtful things eyayihlezi isho ugogo kozala ubaba ukuthi buka nje uzace kanjani lapha kamama wakho abakuphakeli ukudla, kumele ubuye uzohlala la. Noma sengihambile khona ngeke ngala kama, they will say the same thing futhi, buka uzace kanjani kababa wakho abakuphakeli ukudla. So there was ilokhu nje i-tug of war between the two families, eyayi-serious ngale ndlela le, which I'm gonna expand on yona as isikhathi siqhubeka. So I stayed lapho, and then later-ke ngabuyela khona, ngahlala khona, ngabuyela eLokhonje 6, ngabuyela e-6, ngahlala khona e-6. So umuntu njengoba elokhu ekhula, from doing your grade 7, doing your matric, kunezinto ezimshayayo umuntu, but kwabanye abantu ezi-light. Ngithi ezi-light, okay, umuntu was a late bloomer in terms of ama-relationships. Okwesibili, umuntu was a late bloomer academically. Ngangingayena umuntu ohlakaniphile from grade R, even though ngingakhumbuli phela, ngangingayena umuntu ohlakaniphile and I was not aware or able to adjust myself because ngangisuka ngihlale la ngihlale la ngihlale la ngihlale la yabo ngimuve nakhona mengimuva futhi I was always told ukuthi ngeke uze ube yilutho and stuff and stuff and stuff and stuff and stuff. So ngangaze ngihlale in environment whereby engangikhululeka kuyona ukuze ngikwazi ukufocus esikoleni. So ukuba kwami academically inclined noma ukuba able to reach to inclinedness ye-academia was when I was doing grade 10, yes. Ngalesikhathi ngahlangana khona noBongumusa nakhona futhi ngabona ukuthi okay ukuze ngiphase angincike kuBongumusa ngibo. So while growing up kuleyo period leyo umuntu ushawa izinto ey'ncane njengoba ngisho izinto ey'ncane iziphi like ama-relationships. The guys I grew up with babe ney'ntombi at an early age. Like I think babefunda o-grade 10 kanje, if not grade 9. Babe ney'ntombi and they were known as abantu abashaya iy'ngane vele around. So I was friends with those people. Nami I wanted to be cool yabo. So umuntu wayezama like eshela. Khumbula there's a friend of mine uSisanda owayefunda eKloof. So Sisanda gave me a number of a person I do not know. Bathe nansi intombazane uSibuye igama layo mfethu. I-right yabo ihlala e-3 ngakadona. So there's a friend of mine uDona. Ihlala ngakadona nani yabo sifunda naye eKloof yabo. eKloof-ke back then was one of those schools because I think uSisanda yedwa ngasekhaya ngaleso sikhathi owayefunda eKloof. So anginike inamba. So I kept on calling this chick yabo, calling. If ever-ke uyinyeza ngokwe-appearance yakho, ngokwe-self-esteem yakho, usually uyalokho nje uya-excel-a ekudateni nomuntu over the phone. Uya-excel-a ekudateni nomuntu nibe kwi-long distance relationship. Usually you excel. So that was one of my strengths nami because ngangayithembi njengoba kusho abangani bami babe ney'ntombi yabo. So I always felt like there was something wrong ngami. Njengoba ngisho ukuthi umuntu ubeshawa izinto ey'ncane vele. So we dated nale ntombazane lo, we dated. So into eyenzeka imoto if ever izoshiya uSisanda yayifike ime la ngakarama ngaMkhize. Kwakhona i-container kuthiwa yakarama back then esikhulu yaMkhize. Yayifike ishiya abantu lapho. So there was this one time I think kwabo uSibuye ukuthi okay uma endle yena kuyimuphi la yabo. I think uSisanda wangikhomba and then uSibuye was like wey kanti unje yabo. I think uDona was also in the car so in the text because babe ne-leaf club yabo. So and then leyo nto became like a joke nje emajitheni, it became a joke to a point whereby umuntu yamlokho nje yamdestroya kakhulu yabo, like self-esteem wise and emotionally yamdestroya kakhulu nje ukuthi le ntombazane yasho kanje. So I'm mentioning the story less because like I wanna tie in le ndaba ye-calling. So umuntu ashawe lezi zinto lezi and then later I was like okay no, I'm doing grade 11 now. Like I have never been with a woman. Like I've never like been with a woman endlini, yabo. But manje sakhuluma uthi kade ngivalele leya ngane. So for me kwakuyi-pressure loyo. So and then I opted to go to go and look for my father. Ngimgcine ubaba ngalesikhathi lesi ngisahlala lapha e-3, which I said ukuthi it's going to be a topic of another day leyo. So I was in grade 11 looking for ubaba. So when I was looking for ubaba because ngikhumbula ngisamncane ubaba wehlezi engithreatenisha ethi kumina if ever mfana uma ungasithatha isibongo sami ngeke uze ube yilutho, ngeke ulungelwe yilutho. So I felt like okay, kushuthi njengoba ngixolele lento yomjolo nje, kushuthi mhlambe it has to do with I am using the wrong surname. I am using the wrong surname. Ngayitshela lokho. So I went there and then I looked for my father. Ngambheka ubaba ngamthola ukuthi uhlala kephi because ngangisakhumbula laphana kagogo. So bangitshela ukuthi no, unendlu la behind i-KM wayinendlu lapho. So he had a house there. So nakhona ngazama to build the relationship, break down a relationship. I will explain later why I break down and what were the causes of that. Since phela manje umuntu esemdala above 30 years useunderstanda kangcono. So I didn't get the help I needed. Emva kwalokho ngikhumbula I was in town. So one of my friends, umsizi, wehlala eLokhunja, wehlala eReina. eReina-ke is opposite i-George Campbell. Wayefunda eComTech. So I was in town ngomnye day, kwakhona umuntu ongivimbayo. Then umuntu was like, "Hayibo, wena uyazi ukuthi unabantu abadala?" So I was like, "Hayi ngeke ngiyazi leyo nto mina." So wahamba umuntu ngayihambela nami. So and then I carried on nempilo. And then later kwaqala amaphupho a-strong. So into eyayenzeka is umuntu ever since afika ka high school ila amaphupho aqala khona intensify, like they became intense in a sense yokuthi into engangiyiphuphile like 2 years ago yayivele yenzeka, but ngesikhathi yenzeka I was convinced ukuthi kade deja vu, yabo, ngisi deja vu lena akuyona into serious. Ngiphuphe lawo maphupho lawo enzeke kancane futhi uphinde kube into engiyizibayo le. Why ngiyiziba? It's because ekhaya akekho umuntu eksekwathiwa uyisangoma, akekho umuntu eksekwathiwa umthandazi, akekho umuntu eksekwathiwa uyinyanga ekhaya. Yabo, angikaze ngizwe lento ukuthi kuthiwa ekhaya khona umuntu onabantu abadala. So it was something foreign to me. I was like, "Hi, okay, akukho calling la." So then I went to DUT, third year na khona iphupho engaba nalo elali-intense ngale ndlela to a point whereby ngangiyobhala iphepha lokuqala ka-third year, yeah. But iphepha lokuqala lento ukuthi umuntu uzolala mhlambe ngo-4, athi okay ngizovuka ngo-6 and then ngo-7 ngigibela ibhasi ngihamba ngiya on campus. Ngaleyo day leyo sasuka ku-Albert Park because we had a strike. Sayohlala la ngase-Greyville, opposite i-Greyville. Kwakhona irese lapho. Ngiyayikhohlwa igama ukuthini esasihlala kuyona lapho irese. Because u-roommate wami, it was a guy from Limpopo, uMhluri, noNgosiwa kaMashu, u-one man. Umakhelwane wethu ucela impilo. So ngikhumbula when I had this dream, ngavuka and then I knocked kwi-floor yethu yonke because yathi ingqondo meyibuya ngabona ucela impilo engihlalisa phansi ngibuza ukuthi hayibo Rumza kwenzakalani. So ucela impilo waye uRumza wami sisahlala ku-Albert Park before we had a strike. Kwakuyimina, uMkhize, ucela impilo, uJele, omunye umfana uJele. Man, those were the times. So ucela impilo was like, Rumza kwenzakalani. So ingqondo yabuya ngesikhathi. So I went on campus ngayofunda and I was thinking about leli phupho ngale ndlela because ngangiqala ngqa uphupha into extreme kanjeyana eyabangela ukuthi uma ngivuka ngilahlekelwe umqondo. So futhi and then I was like, okay, iphupho nje just, and then I ignored it. And then when I started working in 2019, like eMaritzburg, in one of the clinics, there's a lady wafika kumina. Mayifika kumina because I was at the reception. Efika kumina sahleli nje. It was I think it was December kanje or November, kungasagcwali kodwa emaklinikhi. So this lady just came to me and then said, "Ninjani?" Sathi phela sibona intombi samajita. Awusisi unjani? Yabo, and then she was like, "Yazi njengoba nihleli nonke la, wena uyakhanya wena." Yabo, it's like ngiyakhanya, what ngasukuma uchaza ukuthini sisi, and then we went outside. And then usisi explained, okay, igama lami nguSithe, ngisebenza somewhere which I'm not gonna chaza ukuthi ubesebenza kephi. Ngisebenza somewhere la in town. Ngisacela ukuthi whenever you get time uze uzongibona sixoxe nje. I was like, okay, menginibuka la ufaka ubuhlalo, menginibuka la ufaka ubuhlalo. I was like, yini ndaba umayelana nani? Athi hayi no, kukhona into nayo engiyibonayo yabo. So sekagcwaliseleka in a way ukuthi okay no, kukhona vele into umuntu anayo. Oh, before that ngesikhathi kushona uMalo Mjabulo, there's a person we went to kuyena owayosigeza wase-White Bank. She also said the same thing, but there's something ekhona la kuwena. Ngicela ubuye uze sizohlala la sikhulume ngayo yabo. I was like, no. Yabo, and then ngabaleka ngambalekela usisilana. So when usithe esho njalo ngase ngiqala uku-understand nami ngaphakathi kulokhunju to say okay, mhlawumbe lento ikhona ngempela, let me just give it a chance ngizwe abantu ukuthi bathini. So I used to go and visit ulokhunju usithe emsebenzini wakhe, and then usithe would tell me ukuthi okay, izinto noma into ebangela ukuthi ngithi nokuthi ingoba uma ngikubuka ngibona 1 2 3 wangibuza ukuthi what are the common dreams do you usually have. So if ever you have abantu abadala, kunama dreams are common. Lokuqala, you often uyiphupha usesikoleni, uyiqala uyiphupha use-high school, ubuye uyiphupha use-primary, and in most cases if ever uzoyiphupha lapho usuke ubhala i-test, but leyo test usuke ungayazi. It's like usuke ungekho prepared or not ready ukuyibhala because awuqedi ukuyibhala and usuke wazi ukuthi okay ngisenkingeni la because angifundile enough. Umuntu onabantu abadala into yokuqalileyo uba nalawo maphupho lawo esikole, be it high school, primary. Secondly, kube khona abantu abakujahayo within those premises lawo, and you always make sure ukuthi uyabaleka. Okwesithathu, in most cases uyiphupha undiza. Uma kukhona abantu abafuna ukukhama physically, uvela usukuma undiza, uke uyibone ulokhunju undiza. So if ever you have understood your calling and mastered ilokhunju, the understanding per se, kulula for you to just elevate yourself. Kulula to just elevate yourself and avoid labo bantu because basuke behamba la phansi. So those are some of the dreams, and then kufike a random person ongamazi in a dream. In most cases kuba ama-celebrate, whether it's umuntu waphesheya but umuntu ongakazi umbone, umuntu angayisho ukuthi umbone. Usually you have dreams about those people befika behamba nawe uxoxa nabo. So those are the common signs. Awafani ke based on isithunywa somuntu, but those are the common ones. So ngathi ngimtshela untombazane was like, nami I used to have amaphupha njengawakho. It's because I have a calling ekanje. So I was like again now, but ekhaya mina ngabuza nje kwathiwa ayikho umuntu ekanje, but I know ukuthi abasekho able to trace i-lineage yakini. It doesn't mean ukuthi umuntu okanjalo akaze abe khona. So this thing grows. So it grows the more ngiya kuyena usithe, the more ngiyamukela in a way, because I would say ukuthi wayelethwe ukuthi azongilokhunja azongiza into the process of acceptance. Nakhona ngiya kuyena usithe because ngiyayibona ezinye izinto okay ziyangishaya yabo. So mina I'm the type of person kuthiwa once wathi kunenkinga, once ngazi ukuthi kunenkinga, but ngenzeka kube ne-solution la. Into engizoyenza yini ukuthi ngithi go for ilokhunja, i-solution leyo ukuze ngisolve ilokhunja inkinga, because I'm the type of person ongayithandi inkinga. So kwizinto engibhekene nazo back then, if ever intombazane ethi nginento ekanje kumele ngenze u-ABC, once ngawenza ngizoba right empilweni, because it has always been i-goal yami to live a better life, to have a better life, ukuthi nje ngibe right, ngihlale in-environment whereby ngizokhululeka kuyona ngikwazi ukuthi okay, if ever ngizizwa ukuthi ngilambile, I can go and just buy bread. So I'm the type of person ongenza noma yini ukuze ngibe right, but the right way, not the wrong way. So ezinye zezizathu lezi ezenza ukuthi ngiqhubeke ngilokhuthu ngimvakashele untombazane. And then kwi-process yami yokukhuluma naye kwanezinto eseziyifikelayo emadlebeni ukuthi okay, no, you need to do this. Wenze lokhu, wenze lokhu, wenze lokhu, wenze lokhu, wenze lokhu. Mind you ukuthi lento yintsha kumina and iyangisinda. Secondly, nginalamaphupho lawa engingakwazi ukuwa-explain-a komunye umuntu, because if ever I-explain komunye umuntu kuvele kube ngathi hadu uyagula lo, uyagula. So ngizocela ukuyivala la le ndaba ye-calling, ngizoqhubeka nayo ku-part 2.